Europe has always given a hard time to the International Amicus Brief Committee because in Europe we do not have a set of clear and straightforward rules to file amicus briefs. But then during the past term we used the pandemic time, to do the best that we could in order to exercise INTA advocacy mission. So I believe that one of the main reasons why the number of briefs has increased is because we also have a brand new procedure before the Grand Board of the European Intellectual Property Office. In this case, these cases are those which the Board of Appeal refer, which are highly disputed issues. And in this case, there is a specific procedure which allows third parties to file observations when they have an interest. So in these kind of cases, we can intervene without getting in touch with any of the party of the proceedings. And we filed 5 briefs by following this kind of procedure. But our committee was very, very productive also before the Court of Justice of the European Union. In this case, we have a more difficult procedure, especially for cases where the referral cases before the Court of Justice, because we cannot file amicus brief stricto sensu. We have to get in touch with the parties, and then the parties file our opinion, such as a third-party opinion, a pro veritate opinion. But notwithstanding these kind of difficulties, we managed to file 7 briefs. There is an interest in addressing issues which are highly debated and which could be of interest for both brand owners and practitioners, which are highly debated issues or key issues. So INTA wants just to make sure that these issues are addressed properly. In the United States, there is a long-standing tradition of filing amicus briefs, especially because there is a specific procedure to file these kind of briefs. In Europe, there is not a perception of this kind because we do not have a tradition of this kind. We don't have a very specific procedure. So we have been trying, and having the people understand that we can do that. And somehow we have figured out a way to raise our voice in Europe as well. So we really want that also the other committees, also all the INTA members, know about our mission and that they know that they can reach out to us when they think that there is a case which is worth our intervention. The only thing is that if anyone wants to do that, it should make sure that we are contacted well in advance.